Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A54 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this Samsung. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Advanced Features. Now click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher in order to activate it. Lastly, scroll down and tap on one of those options to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on it and follow all of those instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. You can resize it by holding one of its corners and dragging it. You can also change placement of it by tapping on those icons on one of its sides and even hold this line at the top and drag it. If you want to go back, click on this gray area, the blurry one, and in order to disable one-handed mode completely, select this switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!